This dance is called We Can't Wait. It's a 32 count, full wall, absolute beginner level line dance. Starting on the right foot, we're going to vine to the right. So you're going to step your right to the side, cross the left behind the right, step the right to the side, and then you're going to touch that left beside the right. There is no weight on that touch step, it is just resting there. You're then going to vine back to the left. So you're going to step the left to the side, cross the right behind the left, step the left to the side, touch that right beside the left. So again, there is no weight on that right touch step. That set of steps once more. Vining to the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. You're going to add on a couple of V steps. So you are literally drawing a V on the floor. So your right foot is going to go diagonally out to the right. Your left foot goes diagonally out to the left. The right goes diagonally back to the left, back to where it came from. Your left goes beside the right. That is your V step. And you're going to do that again. So the right diagonally out to the right, left diagonally out to the left, right goes back to where it came from, left beside the right. So 2 V steps. Do that once more, off on that right. 7, 8, out, out, in, close, out, in, close. Let's add that to the top. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Out, in, close, out, in, close. Add on a Monterey quarter turn. So with this Monterey turn, you're going to point your right out to the side. You're going to bring that right back beside the left, but as you do so, you're going to make a quarter turn to the right. So you should now be facing the side wall. Then you point the left out to the side, step the left beside the right. That is your Monterey quarter turn. You're then going to step forward on the right, kick the left forward, just a little low kick, step back on that left, touch that right beside the left. So again, the right foot is just resting there. That set of steps once more then. Monterey off on that right. 7, 8, point, turn, point, close, step, kick, back, touch. Let's add that to the top. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Out, in, close, out, in, close. Point, turn, point, close, step, kick, back, touch. You're going to do another couple of side step touches now. So you're going to step that right diagonally forward to the right, so into that right corner. Touch the left beside the right. You're then going to step the left diagonally back to the left, so back to where it came from. Touch the right beside the left. Make a small step to the right on that right foot, and as you do so, you're going to bump your hips to the right, then bump your hips left, bump right, bump left. That set of steps once more then, step touch off on that left, right. 7, 8, step, touch, back, touch, bump right, left, left. End of the dance. When we get to that point, let's put it all together. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Out, in, close, out, in, close. Point, turn, point, close, step, kick, back, touch, step, touch, back, touch, up, right, left, left. So that is your dance. Now it is a 4-wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. And I am going to speed it up as we go around the walls because the music is just a bit faster. Vine into the right, right foot leads. 7, 8, side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Out, out, in, close, out, in, close. Point, turn, point, close, step, kick, back, touch. Step, touch, back, touch, front right, left, left. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Out, in, close, out, in, close. Point, turn, point, touch, step, kick, back, touch, step, touch, back, touch, front right, left. Side, behind, side, touch, side, behind, side, touch. Out, in, close, out, in, close. Monterey, turn, step, kick, back, touch, step, touch, back, touch, front right, left. So hopefully you managed to follow that. I did speed it up as we went through the walls, and I also changed the chant to Monterey turn in that last wall for that one set of steps. So that is it. That is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to their music.
Let's make tonight the weekend. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. I don't wanna wait. Got no reason not to celebrate. Baby, I just don't wanna wait.
5, 6, 7, 8. Side behind, side touch. Side behind, side touch. Out, in, close. Out, in, close. Monterey, turn, step, kick, back, touch, step, touch, back, touch, but right, left. Side behind, side touch. Side behind, side touch. Out, in, close. Out, in, close. Monterey, turn, step, kick, back, touch, step, touch, back, touch, right, left. Side behind, side touch. Side behind, side touch. Out, in, close, out, in, close. Monterey, turn, step, kick, back, touch, step, touch, back, touch, right, left. Side behind, side touch, side behind, side touch. Out, in, close, out, in, close. Monterey, turn, step, kick, back, touch, step, touch, back, touch, right, left. Vines. V. Monterey. Step touch. Vine. V. Monterey. Step touch. V. V step. Monterey. Step touch. Vine. V. Monterey. Step touch.
Celebrate, baby, I just don't wanna wait.
Hope you managed that one.